If you want to know how to make a reel on Instagram, we're going to make a reel together today. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to head to the plus button at the bottom of your page. And this is going to open up the section where we choose whether we want to post a post, a story, a reel or a live. And in this case, we want to post a reel. So then when we click on reel, it will show us everything that's in our camera roll on our phone. And in this section, you're going to click on the clips or just individual clip that you want to use to create your reel. You can put in a mixture of pictures and you can put in a mixture of videos. In this case, I am going to use a video. So I'm just going to select this one here. This is just a test clip that I used before filming my setup today. So we click on the reel and we click next, and then it's going to give us an option to be able to trim it, or you can speed it up, or you can add music directly in this section. For me, I personally like to just carry on next and edit this in the next part. So as you can see on the screen here, we have text that we can add on screen. We can also add in stickers. So this can also include location, captions, quiz, slider bars, GIFs, and any other things as well. So if you wanted to add captions, you just click on that section here and it will translate your audio. I don't have any captions in this clip. To also add music, you can just head over to this section here and you can add any music to your video. You can control the audio levels here. You can add voiceover, which you just click the bottom button here. Hello and welcome to my video. Which now that we've added that voiceover, we can actually go back and add the captions, which here you can select what the style of the captions are going to look like. So if we could play, hello and welcome to my video. If we just go back to where that would be, you can see that the captions have changed. You can also add effects, you can save your video, and you can add pictures from your camera roll. So if we go into edit video, this is where we can do more in-depth video editing. So here you can click edit, and this will allow you to cut silences. So it will automatically remove silences. In this video it says that there are no silences detectable, so no need to worry about that. We can also add voice effects. We can change the speed to make it faster or slower. We can split clips, so this is where you can chop certain things up and get rid of certain bits. So then we can like delete that bit. You can add text, you can add GIFs, you can add stickers. Again, you can edit the captions, add a voiceover, volume, you can change the volume, you can add a filter, and you can reorder your clips as well. So a lot of the editing is in that edit video section. And then once you're done editing your video, you can just click next. You can add a caption. You can add hashtags, you can add polls, you can also add a prompt. And then there is a new feature on Reels where you can create a trial reel. Now a trial reel is a way that you can see how people will engage with your content without it being posted to your followers. So this trial reel will be posted to all your non-followers. It won't go on your profile. And then when you can see how it's performing, then you can decide to put it onto your profile and show it to your followers. This is a great way to A/B test certain hooks, certain styles of editing, but without having to commit to your followers having to see that. And then you can put in whether you want to tag products, that's usually for businesses, who you want to see it, whether you just want it to be everyone or your close friends, your profile display, whether you just want it to go on your Reels tab or whether you want it to go on your main grid too. You can rename the audio and you can add location on there as well. And then you can just click next and that will post to your profile. And that's how you create a reel.